Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have a unique one. It's the 2008 Chrysler Aspen, a car that I'm pretty sure 95% of the population has forgotten about. I remember this car from a movie, actually. For those of you who are into Christmas movies, Deck the Halls, where his neighbor Buddy is a car salesman. He gifts a Chrysler Aspen to him, and then he finds out that he has to actually make the payment, and all he did was just kind of give him a car payment. This thing's pretty darn cool. Look at it push. Ooh, a Chrysler Aspen remote. That's gonna be worth probably a cent someday. Good old Hemi tick. I think it's actually more of a manifold than anything. Trusty little car. It's about to start downpouring these tires. Well, there's something a little worse for wear. Oh, AC. Tone it down just a little bit. Look at the glow. Sport Chrono package. That's what that is. Yeah, that's definitely not what it is. Can you not shift? I know you can shift these. Can you not? 5.7 V8, 337 horsepower, 370 pound-feet of torque, 5-speed auto. Aspen on the dash, which is, I cannot touch the, well, barely touch the inspection sticker. Oh, those are just like the vents in an airplane. What does this do? That's your sunroof, but I want to step. Aha! Oh, actually, I have a lot more gas than I thought I did. Sunroof. All your rear seat controls. Heated seats. What's in here? That's aggressive. Jeez. Backup camera? Of course. This is a luxury product. Alpine sound. Oh yeah, that's a luxury product when your door panel sounds like that. It's not much different than Chrysler interiors nowadays. No offense. Thought that was a SRT10 for a second. I just burned 3 miles to empty right there. Woo, you're heavy. Okay, good girl. Settle down. The door panel's driving me nuts. I just burned almost 10 miles to empty. Oh, you little Aspen. I'm a little nervous about these tires, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, the AC is so good. I love V8 AC. So yeah, the Aspen was kind of were they Stellantis at this point? I think they probably were. This was their full-size SUV. I do believe it's based off of the Durango platform. Full 8-seater setup, including driver. those wipers do a whole lot of nothing. Now I got a nasty vibration. It's all good. We're getting off the highway, so that becomes a 30-mile-an-hour problem, not a 70-mile-an-hour problem. Motto of life right there. Oh, that sucks. At least you have a roof on it. Oh, I love this thing. I love the green glow on the gauges. It's just kind of retro-y cool. That's what this period was all about. They made the PT Cruiser. They did the Prowler earlier in this era. These wipers are gonna have to start making do. Hi. Oh no, that's 100. Oh, this is the era where they definitely were very, very partnered with Mercedes, because my 05 C-Class has the same wiper action. Oh yes, I remember this. This was Daimler Chrysler. This wasn't Stellantis, this was Daimler Chrysler. I don't know how many years they made these, but it wasn't very many. It may have been like a 2-year special because of the bailout in 09. But you think about it, what did they just start making? The Grand Wagoneer. Not selling great either, but kind of these big full-size, the Kia Borrego. Remember that? Yeah, not many people do. And what was the Hyundai version? Oh my gosh, I can't remember. Hyundai had one too. Full-size 3-row SUV. This was obviously more of like an excursion kind of size, maybe a little smaller, but that's kind of what this was going up against. Yeah, there it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.